Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode in my Crypto 101 series sponsored by Crypto.com. If you haven't used their platform, make sure you check it out. It's a convenient mobile app on your phone, and you can also use the website. But it's really a good place for beginners because everything is all in one place for you. You don't have to use 5 different apps, multiple wallets, and things like that. Everything is right in one place, whereas with some other apps and exchanges, you have to use multiple avenues of getting fiat on, sending it, buying and selling, and then sending it back using multiple wallets. With Crypto.com, it's all in one spot. That's why I'm sharing this with you guys to make it easy to get into crypto and get involved. Today's video is going to be a very quick explanation of how to transfer money into your account and how to buy or sell. It used to be very hard back a couple years ago to actually get fiat or USD onto an exchange and then be able to purchase crypto with it. Now, super easy, especially with the Crypto.com app. I really wish we had it this easy back in 2017, but here we are. And if you're new, you've came in at a good time, and I'm going to show you how it's done right now. All right, so I've just logged into my Crypto.com app on my phone. I've already put in my password because it is password protected, and I'm going to want to deposit some funds to be able to buy crypto. So you can see here, I'm going to hit the transfer button at the top of the screen. I'm going to go to deposit, and now if I want to deposit crypto, I can just click on that and send crypto here, but I'm actually going to deposit fiat or USD. You can see it here. If you want to set up a different currency, you can set that up below, but I'm going to click on USD. Now, I have 2 choices here. I could do a wire transfer, which needs to be a minimum of $5,000, and it takes 1 to 2 business days. I could do up to $250,000. If I'm doing less than $5,000, I can do an ACH push, and basically what you're going to do is do these through your bank. So once you click on the details, it's going to give you the information of where to send the funds to, and you'll go actually to your bank and do that separately. So now once you have fiat deposited into your Crypto.com account, you can go to the trade, and now I can buy. So I'm going to buy. I can get Crypto.com coin or any of the other ones that they offer. We'll go ahead and just do Crypto.com. Now I can buy with my USD wallet. You see I have a $60,000 limit here. I can add a credit or a debit card. I can buy with my fiat wallet, which would be the money that I just deposited, or I can buy with my crypto wallet if I have any USDC in there, which I do. So I can buy 1,000 Crow with 971 USDC. So I would just hit buy here, and I can confirm it. Okay, and now you can see I just purchased 1,000 Crow. Bam, easy peasy. So now if I want to sell that, it's going to be the same thing. I can go to sell, and you can see here I can sell it into whichever asset I would like. All right, so I have 1,000 Crow, and you can see I can actually sell it into whichever asset I would like. If I want to sell it into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT, USDC, etc. So I can click on any of those, and you're going to see it change here to different allocations. And we'll go ahead and we can just sell it back into USDC. There we go, and I can confirm. And you can see my sell has been completed. So once you buy, it's going to show up in your crypto wallet, and once you sell, it's going to show up in your fiat wallet. Pretty straightforward stuff, you guys. Hope you enjoyed that. My next video is going to get a little bit more in depth on how to install the Crypto.com DeFi wallet, how to send and receive crypto, and how to exchange cryptocurrency as well. You can do recurring payments, as I just explained, if you want to dollar cost average or maybe throw a few bucks in weekly. Really nice feature to have, can come in handy and make it easier to buy regardless of what's going on and hodl. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this, as well as send a comment below, and stay tuned for my next video.